We're sorry to hear that your power's off. Our engineers are on their way to replace a fuse that's blown in the local substation.
I'm Dave, an engineer from UK Power Networks, and I'm heading straight to the substation where the fuse is. To get your power back on, first of all, we need to get access to the electricity substation. We'll then check the electrical fuses to find the faulty one. Your lights may come on and quickly go off again while we're testing, but it's nothing to worry about. If everything's okay, a new fuse will fix everything and your power will come back on. Sometimes the fuse blows again and your power goes off. This could be now, or it could be tomorrow or next week. This means an electricity cable or overhead line is faulted and needs repairing. If our underground electricity cables are damaged, then to fix them, we need to find the fault, then dig up the pavement or road so we can access the electricity cable. Once we can see the electricity cable, we can make repairs so your lights come back on. We'll come back later to fill in the hole. If our overhead electricity lines are damaged, then to fix them, we need to get kitted up once on site to work at height. We need to find and assess the fault. We'll then need to fix the fault. Rest assured, whatever the time, day or night, will not stop until your power is safely back on.